Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. If you have any question, you can comment. And don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and also click on the bell icon for getting new videos notification on your mobile phone. So thanks for watching.